the assembly that Mr. Peace taught us today was really truthful, and it was coming from the heart, and it was very sad to hear his story about his losses, and let those people be in rest and be in a good place. All I know is that, speaking for myself, I can take this lesson and adapt it to my regular daily life and make more people feel better about themselves for who they are.
Well, what I have to say is that, like, I understand where Mr. Peace is coming from. Yeah, it's not easy fitting in. Yeah, it's not easy thinking of yourself, like, in a certain way. But it's also, like, you can make the road a different place. If you come off rudely, just, like, stay back a little bit. Don't, like, continue pudging at that object. Like, make them feel better about themselves, even though you might be going through something hard. That's what Mr. Peace taught us today. It's, like, really truthful and understanding of what Mr. Peace is going through. So yeah, I understand, like, we don't always have good days, but we just need to make the best of them.